Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you lemon and coffee whitening skin tone naturally. I regret that I didn't know it before. I swear it's super effective in whitening skin tone naturally and get you rid of 20 years of blackness and get rid of dull skin, black spots, pigmentation, freckles and dark spots naturally, suntan, and get fair, spotless, milky looking skin naturally on your face, on hands, on feet, on any place. It also reduces wrinkles and get you rid of all skin related problems without any side effects, with all natural ingredients. This magical remedy suits all skin types and it's super effective in getting rid of dark spots, black spots, pigmentation, and it's super effective. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy you will be notified to watch it. And let's start with the remedy. The first thing we need in a clean mixing bowl, we need to add 1 full teaspoon of ground coffee. Here I'm using dark coffee. Try to use dark coffee because it will work better for you, my friends. Then we need to add a magical ingredient, which is 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and here I'm using the market aloe vera gel. You can use natural aloe vera gel instead. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and here I'm using parachute coconut oil. You can use any coconut oil available for you. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and if the weather is cold, then melt the coconut oil like so. Don't use it when it's kinda strong or it's kinda solid. Use it while it's melted like so. So melt it for a few minutes in a microwave or oven, and add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, you can add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, but I prefer to use coconut oil in that remedy. Then, my friends, we need 1 lemon. Cut the lemon in half like so. And add 1 teaspoon of natural lemon. Now, my friends, we need to mix well all the ingredients until they combine and get very well mixed together. Once we mix and combine all the ingredients together and our magical remedy looks like that, our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on your skin and leave it for 15 minutes to 30 minutes, and then wash it with warm water followed by cold water to close the pores. And my friends, the result will amaze you. Use it 2 to 3 times weekly to achieve the best results ever. It whitens the skin tone naturally and will get you fair, spotless and glowing skin. Caffeine in coffee that will enhance blood circulation to your skin and will remove the wrinkles naturally and will solve all your skin problems naturally. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.